Welcome and welcome back to the CHAZTIIZED channel. I'm Chaz, but most importantly, shout out to y'all. You know, I would not be doing half of these reactions if it wasn't for you, and I just have to do some housekeeping real quick. You know, throwing this on the screen. All you guys in the comment section, you guys have really been doing half of the heavy lifting, and it's a mutual appreciation. I do the reaction, you guys do the recommendations. Okay, so today, this group needs no introduction. This is BLACKPINK. How do you not know about BLACKPINK? You know, how could you be so naive? You've been living underneath a rock. Like, make it make sense. So today we're gonna be reacting to Shutdown. Sorry, I had to go verify. Shutdown is what it is we're gonna be listening to. So without further ado, go ahead and get your snacks, get your water, kick your feet up, and you know how we get down.
And now, our feature presentation.
Yeah. They got pink kebabs. What is that? Oh, bro, this bass is crazy. This bass is nuts. Wait, time out, bro. Time out.
Bruh.
Let me go back 1 second. 1 second. Are you on a disco tank? What that thing finna do? You know, I know y'all got 900. No, not even 900. Sorry. I know y'all got 99.3 million subs, but y'all buying tanks and tricking them out with disco material? That's crazy. Ooh. She said she keep the. She said the chain around her neck. That's hers.
What the dog doing?
Wow. I mean, that's some fashion. I like it.
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown.
Shut down.
Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's
oh, this is a vibe.
Whip it, 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 whip it. Keep watching me shut it down.
Okay.
You don't wanna be on my best side. That's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, pros on your girl, Vivi.
Bro, she talking crazy. She talking crazy. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Oh my goodness. My bad. Let's run this back, boy. Talking to him. Talking to you.
You don't wanna be on my best side. That's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, pros on your girl, Vivi. It's this we invested, Need a lesson, see the neck and see the stresses we don't buy, we recurse it, A rock star, a pop star, but rowdy. I say bye to the paparazzi. Get my good side, I'll smile for ya. No, it ain't fair to ya. It's scaring you like what now? BLACKPINK in your area. The area been shut down. It's a
Shut it
shutdown.
down. Dang.
Stay in your own lane, cause I'm about to swerve.
Sheesh.
Catch me when you hit my Lamborghini, go vroom, 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 vroom. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. Campanerigo, munjam, go shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown.
Bro, I like this.
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. Campanerigo, munjam, go shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down.
Yeah. Ooh. Her in the ski mask. All of them in the ski mask. That's a nice look. Kind of looks like the Weeknd's video with the lights reflecting off the car. Hey yo, that's tough.
shut you down.
That's it. Oh. dang, man, I've been reacting to all their older stuff, and I just feel like it's like super short. I don't know, man, but this was nice. This is nice, man. This is nice. Hey, you already know we're gonna run this all the way back. If you made it this far, I appreciate you guys, you know.
A few moments later.
But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it.
Fire in the hole! And now, our feature presentation.
No time wasted, boy. Let's go ahead and get it.
Blackpink in your area.
You should have known when that bass came in. This is gonna be some heat.
Blackpink in your area. Come baby and you're done.
This is hilarious. This right here. Shut it down. Shut it down. Let's go. The neck, bro. The leash on my neck is mine. The leash on my neck is mine.
What the dog doing?
You know what I'm saying? You need to walk. You know what I'm saying? What? I see you with the butters on. She got them Timbs on. Them big old heavy boots, boy. Boots are heavy, man. Make it rain. She ain't cheap.
When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown.
Let's go.
It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown.
Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Let's go.
You don't wanna be on my best side, that's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, calls on your girl.
Straight up laughing at y'all, bruh. Pop star. Let's go.
No, it ain't fair to you. It's scaring you like what now? Blackpink in your area. The area been shut down. It's a shutdown.
Shut it down. This one, she in her bag, boy. Ain't cheap. That was tough. When they dropped the beat, that was tough. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's very catchy. Shut down. Let's go. Yo. Yeah. I like this visual. It's giving me remnants, you know, it's reminiscent of The Weeknd. The video that he dropped, you know, flashing lights, you know, all these lights. Where he's got on his glasses and they're reflective and it has all the lights from the ceiling. So this is in their bag with these aesthetics. And they're probably just within two walls and they just probably have like reflective lights on one side. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'd be curious to know what the studio looks like if they do these visuals in.
Shut down.
Yeah, man, that was nice. Shout out to Blackpink one more time for the one time. You know, they coming in with the heater, boy. So if you made it to the very end of this video, I do appreciate you. Give yourself a round of applause. Yeah. And, you know, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment. So you can get all the notifications and all the things so you can stay in the loop so you don't miss any future reactions. But yeah, there should be a video somewhere on the screen and maybe a playlist, and you can even hit that subscribe. But I do appreciate all you guys, and sadly I gotta go. But it's been fun. I'm out, y'all.